everybody, happy April. I hope that this has not been the cruelest of your months. For those of you who are T.S. Eliot fans, you'll understand what I mean by that. This month's assignment is to go where you suck, meaning finding the photos that you don't do well, figuring out why, and going back to those locations, subjects, or styles and doing them better. The goal of this, of course, is to help you recognize your weaknesses and learn how to improve upon them. So it's 2 weeks. I hope that this is going well, that you've spent the last 2 weeks thinking about this assignment, and that you're now ready to start executing your assignment to take photos where you have previously been bad. So do that over the next 2 weeks, and when you complete the assignment, be sure to, if you share it on Instagram, hashtag photography101 with David Hancock, P101WDH. Be sure to drop me an @ so that it calls attention to me and I can take a look at your work. Or if you don't want to use Instagram, you can always create an album on a free image sharing website like Imager, create a hidden album and drop a link to it in this video's comments. Even if I don't comment on every submission, I will review them all. I will see you at the beginning of May.